Sea cucumbers are marine animals that are echinoderms, and these marine animals have an elongated body with a single-branched gonad for reproduction. Sea cucumbers usually range from about half an inch up to 12 inches long. The particular species that I am speaking about, the three-rowed sea cucumber, was probably 8 to 12 inches long. It had a long brown body and had tubed feet along the bottom and the sides. So its cylindrical body has a pentaradial symmetry. It has locomotive organs. As I said, it has numerous tube feet along the bottom and the sides, and they have suckers. The sea cucumber is usually found, the species we are speaking about is found on the shallow sea floors in the benthic region, but they are usually closer to shore than some of its cousins that live deeper into the ocean. This three-rowed sea cucumber is distributed throughout eastern North American coast, the Caribbean, and all throughout South America. The sea cucumbers are scavenging filter feeders of the sea. They eat plankton and detritus. These sea cucumbers can live anywhere from 5 to 10 years, which, if you think about the simplicity of a sea cucumber, that is a pretty long time for such a usually sessile bottom-dwelling animal. Sea cucumbers reproduce by releasing eggs and sperm into the water. It is the outside of the body in which the fertilization occurs. The sperm and eggs are released into the water, and they are inseminated that way. Then a juvenile forms, and it goes through a metamorphosis. And during this time and further on, all organs and tissues are almost completely regenerative. But the parents do have no investment beyond spawning to create the babies. They are lone creatures, and they spend a majority of their life feeding. They're somewhat motile with tubed feet, as I mentioned before. They defend themselves by casting out their toxic gut organs, which they regenerate within 2 to 3 weeks, so that's pretty quickly. They scavenge detritus on the ocean floor, and they filter sediment on the seafloor and complete nitrogen fixation, so they do replenish the seafloor. They are very important in the ecosystem as a staple. They create microhabitats by filtering the sediment. They eat the inhabitants that were in the sand before and leave a microhabitat for new microbes to inhabit. Lastly, they are a celebrated dish in Asian nations. They're a well-known food staple. Sea cucumber extract can be used for headaches, and it's widely used in Chinese holistic medicine.